Namaste. Welcome everyone to my channel Yoga with Sakshi. I am Sakshi and today is day 15 of Power Yoga series. In today's video we are going to do Vinyasa, but we are going to add little variations to each Vinyasa. The practice is going to be super strong, so don't forget to breathe. Roll out your mats. Let's get started. We're going to start gentle with the toes and 1. Out, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Going with the entire ankle. 1. Out, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rotate other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Arms up. Exhale down. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Up. Exhale down. And come to standing. We're going to start with 1 foot distance off from the mat. Vinyasa A. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. You can also walk back. Adho Mukha. Look front, jump front. Hip down, body up, pelvis in. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Look forward, jump. Exhale down. Roll up. Breathe. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Jump forward. We're going to stay there. Breathe. Down, up, hold. Now twist to one side. Get your armpit to the opposite knee. Up. Hold. Inhale up. Stay down. Exhale to the other side. Inhale up. Hold. And down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Stay there. Breathe. Look forward. Jump. Exhale down. Roll up. I hope you're breathing. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back, Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. From here, you're going to do 5 push-ups. Now you can do with your knee bend like this. You can keep your feet up and then try it. Or you can go for full push-ups. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Up. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Hold. Look front, jump front. Exhale down. Roll up. Shitla Tadasana. Breathe. Take a breather. And center. All good? Now we are going to the Vinyasa B. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position, right leg front. Up. Warrior 1. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position. Warrior 1 on the left side. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Look forward. Jump. Exhale down. Roll up. Breathe. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back again. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Feet in V position again. Take your right leg front. Now stay there. 8. And down. Arms on the waist. Now go lower. Just hooking the armpit. And now if this is difficult, you can also bend the knee and try the same thing. Flex the foot, release, up, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Feet in V position, left leg front, hold. And arms down. Let's do a simpler variation. Knee down, hook the armpit and stay. Come down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Jump forward. Exhale down. Roll up. Inhale up again. Exhale down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. We're gonna go for 5 push-ups again. Again, your choice. Half, full till wherever you can. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Up. Now we're gonna go Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward. Exhale down. Roll up. Shitla Tadasana. Breathe. And center. Now, feet together. Inhale up. Let's keep flowing. Exhale down. Inhale up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump front. Come to Malasana. hold. 8, 7, 6, breathe. Now one arm down, exhale, up. Stay there. And center. Change, other side. And center. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Look forward, jump. Exhale, down. Roll up. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump front again and come to Malasana. Breathe. 3, 2. Now, if you're comfortable here, then only try to go lower and get your feet together in Malasana. But if you're not comfortable here, then stay in the open position. And now try and take your arms back and stay. Poonmalasana. And up. Come back. 3, 2, and 1. Down. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. 3. Stay there. 2. And 1. Look forward. Jump. Exhale. Down. Roll up. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale, look up. Back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. 5 push-ups again. But this time I'm going to do knee push-ups so that you guys can see what do I mean. So try not to take your hip up. Your hip still stays down, pelvis tucked in. You can keep your feet either crossed or open, your wall. And down. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. Breathe. 5. And up. Take your legs back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward. Exhale. Down. Roll up. Shitlatadasana again. And relax. Breathe. Now we're going to come to center of the mat, feet together. We're going to play a little in the balancing asana. Get your right leg up. Now you're going to hold from 2 fingers and 1 thumb from the inside like this. Now try to keep your back straight and stay there. Hold. 5, 4, find your balance. 3, 2, and 1. Now if you feel comfortable, then only extend, otherwise stay there. 5, 4, breathe. 3, 2, and 1. From there, bend the knee, bring the heel to the knee, arms here, and come to Ardha Brahmacharya, down. Bend, taking your hip back. 5, 4, 3, and 1. And up. Taking your leg back, down. Let's try other side. pelvis tucked in. Take your leg up. Up, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Either you stay here, and if you're very comfortable, then extend till wherever your body allows. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knee, Ardha Brahmacharya, down. Find your balance. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. Exhale, down. Open your legs. Arms up. Now one arm on the waist. Keep your elbow parallel to the heels, not going back, out. Arms up. Exhale, down. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your chest parallel. Inhale. Up. Other side. Elbow forward. Exhale. Go for deeper stretch. Keep pushing your elbow forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open. 5. Chest open. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Up. Interlock your arms. Take your elbows back. Exhale. Down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take your arms back. Turn around. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Relax in Adho Mukha Virasana. Inhale, up. Stretch your legs to the front. Flex your feet. Now take your right leg outside. Arms up. Chanushirshasana. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now take your leg over. Take your knee in. Twist back. Inhale, center. Bring the knee back. Keep your one knee bent, one knee straight. Arms back, palm facing forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Both arms up. Go forward. Now from the outside, you're gonna hold. Take your other arm back. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Release. Take your arms back. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward. Now, left. Leg out, Chanushirshasana. Arms up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Take your leg over. Hold. Back straight. Exhale down. Inhale, center. Now bend one knee, arms back, chest open. Inhale up. Exhale down. Arms up. Exhale down. Breathe. Take your arm from the outside of the shin bone. Other arm back. Exhale down. And up. Take your arms back. Chaturanga. Urdhmukha. Adho Mukha. Jump forward. Lie down on your back. Setu Bandhasana. Arms down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Try to go maximum as high as you can go. Inhale up. Exhale down. 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 Last one. Inhale up. Now interlock your fingers and stay. Arms down, exhale, down. Take your legs back, Halasana. Today we are going to take one leg up, keeping your one leg down. एक बात सर्वांगासन. Change leg. Both legs up. Bend your knees, come to butterfly. And stay. 8, 7, breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale down. Inhale up. Now open the legs. Hold the big toe, exhale down. Inhale up. Breathe. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale and stay there. Inhale up. Bend the knee again. Back straight. Exhale down. Inhale up. Come sit in Sukhasana. Now take your arms back, up and twist. Inhale, center. Change other side. Up and twist. Inhale, center. Take your arms back. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Release your arms. Release your legs. Relax in Shavasana. Try and relax completely on the mat. Inhale deeply. Exhale, relax completely. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Mindfully and consciously say, I am relaxed. I am completely relaxed. My mind, my body and my breath are in complete sync. Go for deeper relaxation. Let the body relax completely. Mindfully say, I am relaxed. Completely relaxed. mind, body, and my breath completely in sync. Bring your awareness back. Gently move your toes and your fingers, feet together. Right arm above your head, left arm onto the belly. Bend your left knee, turn towards the right side. Keeping your eyes closed, come to sitting. Bring your awareness back, gently rub your palms. Once you feel the warmth, cup the eyes. Gently massage your face. Release your arms in front of your chest. A gentle smile. Few blinks, open your eyes, looking at your palms. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me in this session. Today's practice was slightly hard, so make sure you hydrate yourself throughout the day and give your body the proper rest that it needs. Thank you.